Today I'm going to be bringing you along as I make my breakfast because it's going to be easy and amazing. If you're new here, I'm Scovia and welcome to Infoods Specials, where the recipes are always simple and delicious. To start off, we are going to add some cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then next I'm going to add my sausages, which are at room temperature. So you're going to fry your sausages until browned on all sides. If you're making a lot of sausages, you can just deep fry, but because it is a recipe for 1 or 2, I'm just shallow frying. So you can use any sausages that you have in the house. Just make sure to defrost your sausages fast. And also you notice that there is a lot of noise in the background. Please pardon me because there is a construction going on in our neighborhood. So once your sausages are ready, you're going to place them in a paper towel to drain excess oil. And they're looking amazing. That shows my love for sausages. Then in the same pan, I'm going to add 1 white onion. You can use because it is full of yumminess. You just let the onion soften a little bit. So it's been like 1 minute and my onions are ready. I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic, stir, and you can check out the list of ingredients in the description box, and also you can check some of my sausage recipes in the description box. So you'll cook the garlic until fragrant. That is about 1 minute. Then next, I'm going to add my tomatoes. Tomatoes. Then I'll add half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of basil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir. So you let this cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the tomatoes are cooked through. So as my tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to be slicing my sausages. And I'm going to pick a knife. And my sausages have already cooled. So I'm going to chop the sausages. Once you're done slicing your sausages, you're going to check on your tomatoes. Stir. And as you can see, they are coming along nicely. So this is how they're looking. I'm going to add my green capsicum. Stir in the capsicum. Then I'll check the seasoning. I need a little bit of salt. Then at this point, I'm going to add my sausages back in the pan. So if you have sausages lying around and you make the same breakfast every day, you can try out this recipe. Stir in the sausages. Then I'm going to let this simmer on low for 1 minute. This is how my sausages are looking after 1 minute, and they're looking amazing and they smell so good. So here is how I'm going to serve my sausage in tomato sauce. I'm going to be using my hot dog buns, and as you can see, they're already sliced. No need to sweat. So I'm going to add my sausages in between the buns. Then add some more. And as you can see, it's looking amazing. Then it's ready to eat. So this is how I'm going to be enjoying my breakfast, and I'm going to be washing it down with a cup of tea. Very nice. So I hope you try out this recipe and make yourself this amazing recipe, and you will like it. If you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, share and comment. Ciao.